currently allowing people with tickets to start queuing up.
So you have to ticket to queue up?
Yeah.
How do I get a ticket?
So you can pass it, get a ticket from Joyce, and she'll give you a
All
ticket.
right.
Hi,
Hey.
how are you?
Good. I need to get a ticket apparently.
You do need to get a ticket,
Let's
and
do
I'm
it.
so sorry, but the line at the moment is at 8:55 p.m.
So wait, so I have to wait till 8:55?
As in, you can come back at 8:55 p.m. because we've been giving out tickets the whole day, and these people here already have a ticket, and they're waiting to go in. I know.
So 5 hours wait?
Yes, it is that crazy. But if not, we're open tomorrow at 9 a.m. and we're here for the next 5 years, so you can come back, and I can give you a free
What if you
ticket
go out of
as well.
business now?
We might, but you never know.
Yeah, okay, so what do I do?
So I can give you at 8:55 p.m. and
Yeah.
if you want to come back then,
Yeah,
or you
that's
can
fine.
come back earlier.
Yeah, that's fine.
So if you're around the area.
Yeah, that's okay. Possibly if I'm still here, yeah, I can do that.
I'm really sorry.
No, you don't have to be sorry. 8:55. Because of social distancing and all the rules, they only allow 10 people inside, so it's going to be a bit of a wait. And she actually told me it's a 5-hour wait because there's been a lot of people who are coming and getting reservations, and yeah, it's going crazy. So let's go in there and see what the fuss is about, and yeah, share it with you.
All yours.
At least they keep you entertained while you're waiting in line. All right. Let's do this. Sanitize me, please.
There you go.
Perfect. Yes. Safety first, right? All right, let's go. Wow. Creation. So these are all. This is how it's made. Amazing. How that work? I smell weed. Are you guys putting weed inside? I can smell weed. If it was just Amsterdam, oh yeah, it would be beautiful. Everybody high.
This is the KitKat Chocolatory.
Right.
The main event here is you're able to make your own KitKat.
Awesome.
So
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's make one. Yeah.
Well,
Alright, here we go.
there
We're
is
gonna
a
make
way-
our own. Let's go. There's a wait time. That's fine. There's a wait time for everything. Let's do this. Let's turn our light off. And yep. All right, here we go.
Oh, I'm not
Cool.
even sure. Oh, there we go.
Start. Here we go. So create your own way. What is this? $15. 2 hours wait.
Yeah. So the chocolate has to cool down, and it goes in the.
2 hours wait. Okay.
If you,
Can
if you don't have time for that-
we create one but not wait for it? Yeah, let's do that. And then cancel it. Is that alright?
Yeah,
yeah.
sure.
Let's do it. Alright.
You can choose.
Alright, so you got your base, definitely milk chocolate. Yes. Ingredients. Oh wow, so you can kind of like choose everything you want.
Yeah.
Chocolate fudge. Ooh. How many can you choose?
3. Up to 3.
Up to 3. Okay, that.
There might be more with the scroll.
Yeah, okay, wow. Jesus. Rose petals. Wow, okay. Put some roses in there. Next.
Then you
Oh, so you
design
can
your own
actually
box.
design it too. That's cool. Wow, okay, that looks cool. That looks even better. Wow, custom made. Oh, what is that? What does that say? Do you know?
No, I have no idea.
Oh, there you go. That's another Chinese one. What's this? Is it Chinese owned factory? That's true. Alright. So let's go with this one. Oh, that's too gay. That's even gayer. Oh yeah, that's very Aussie. I like that. Next.
You can also change, sorry, if you want to
Oh.
go back, you can also change, like, here it says
Oh.
Heartbreaker.
Oh wow.
Aussie
Aussie, yes. There you go. Nice. Customizable.
And you can write your name.
Cool. Enter your name. Real black box.
So then, obviously, you.
Then you just order it, but we're not gonna order it. Okay, let's cancel it. Can we cancel that?
Yeah.
So just go back. Okay, that's it. Yes. All right. Well, that was it. You order your KitKats, and then they will make it over there. $15 for this. Not too bad. That looks good. Oh my god, I want that.
glad you got in.
I got in, yes. We did it. It didn't take too long for me, so that was perfect. All right. Whoa, sublime, matcha, passion fruit. Oh my God, look at all these KitKats. So that's basically the line, and they say you have to wait 4 or 5 hours to get in because there's a lot of people who are going to check it out. But I think after 5 minutes you can actually get in because people leave, you go in, don't worry about it, just wait.